Hello fellow Boilermakers, and welcome to the Wright Flower Shop. Today we're going to talk about creating a beautiful, simple tablescape from your leftovers from your Christmas tree or from the greenery around your neighborhood. You're going to need a few supplies. Probably some clippers for cutting the greenery. You're going to need some greenery. This is some white pine, some cypress, and some cedar. If you've got it from the bottom of your Christmas tree or the backside of your Christmas tree, or you've got it in the neighborhood, it doesn't matter. You can use all of it. I've also got some interesting add-ins like the Christmas ornaments, the fruit, the pine cones, and some other random decorations. If you've got a kid's table, it can have cars, it can have little Barbie doll figurines. Make your theme, select your theme. Also, you want to have the right amount of supplies for the size of table that you're working with. If you're working with an 8-foot long table, you're going to want a lot more greenery than a 4-foot long table. So keep that all in mind as you select and gather your goods. All right, welcome to our table. I have here our tablecloth. I've got some plastic laid down to kind of protect my tablecloth, and some of my supplies, my tree greenery, also the add-ins. So we'll get started here. I'm gonna start with some of the bigger linear pieces. This is some nice cedar. We'll lay out on each end. We'll kind of lay some this way and lay some that way. This piece here, it's a good piece, but too much dead stuff or not greenery stuff, so we'll go ahead and cut that off. So some cedar we'll lay out, and then next is the white pine. And you can cut it down, you can lay it in however you want. So lay out your line. Again, depends on the size of your table and the space that you're trying to fill. You might need 2 more feet, you might need smaller. It all smells good, it all looks good. At some point, you're gonna be ready to add in your add-ins. This is going to be a Purdue theme, kind of gold. Just lay them in wherever we want and fill to your desired width and desired length. But I think that's looking pretty good. Let's add some of this sparkly eucalyptus to get the gold Purdue theme here.